Our psychological peace is directly bound to our metabolic choices. The survival alarms in our oldest neural structures are not rigid, unyielding commands. By practicing deliberate breath holding, we can desensitize our chemoreceptors and silence the primal panic button in our brainstem. The urge to breathe is not driven by oxygen deprivation but by carbon dioxide accumulation. Within the cerebrospinal fluid, carbon dioxide dissociates into free hydrogen ions, driving down local pH. Special chemoreceptors on the medulla oblongata detect this acidity, instantly firing diaphragm contractions. Japanese AMA-free divers can sustain high-pressure dives for up to 8 minutes. Their secret is not a genetic mutation but structural desensitization of the medulla. Years of exposure to high carbon dioxide has trained their brainstem to delay the phrenic nerve alarm, maintaining cognitive clarity. Conditioning deliberate breath retention during brisk walking actively shifts the hypercapnic ventilatory response. Intermittent chemical stress downregulates cellular panic signaling, raising the acidity threshold. This reprogrammed state allows the body to manage metabolic shifts without triggering panic. The neural pathways monitoring metabolic pH overlap significantly with networks processing generalized anxiety and panic disorders. When highly sensitive chemoreceptors detect minor carbon dioxide shifts, they trigger autonomic storms. Training these receptors dampens the amygdala-medulla axis, silencing anxiety. Autonomic resilience is not a hardwired cage. It is highly plastic software we can actively reprogram through targeted metabolic stress and deliberate neural conditioning. Reprogram your brainstem, assert executive sovereignty, and quiet the survival alarm.